Hello friends, in this video I will explain how you can make a passive income just by sharing our skills to others. So trust me guys, this really works. Now let me show you payments I have received from the Skillshare community just by sharing my skills to others. So let me open up my account in PayPal and show you the live payments I have received. Now you can see the dashboard of my PayPal account. These are the payments I have received from Skillshare community. So let me show up the payments received from this account. So let me set up the range so that you can see the total amount I have received from that website. From April 2019 to the till now, these are payments I have received from that Skillshare community. So now you can see $4, $2 and $14.10 and $6. These are the total payments I have received from the Skillshare community. So let me open up the website. Now you can see Skillshare community is an online learning community where you can upload your skills to the others and start making money. So let me open up my account in Skillshare community and explain what happens really and how they are going to pay you the money. So now let me show you my profile in Skillshare. Totally I have 11 followers and I have uploaded almost 6 classes in Skillshare. So overall this one class login system using PHP and SQL have 33 students enrolled. So let me show you the teacher status. Now you can see $39. This is the total amount I have received from this website. And these are the past month's payments from this website. So I have a total of 1060 premium minutes. So now let me explain what happens behind the scenes and how they are going to pay you. So whenever premium account students are going to enroll for your class and they watch for your videos, like if they watch for 16 minutes, they are going to pay you for the 16 minutes. So and these are the classes I have uploaded in Skillshare community. So let me show you the categories where you can upload your videos. Suppose if you are good at video editing like Photoshop or like video editing, share your skills to others just by uploading your classes here and start making money. So these are the projects I have done so far. So now let me show you how we can create a class and start uploading in Skillshare. Basically the first thing what you need is you need videos. So upload your videos here and place your title and class description and class project for the students and select the order category, subcategory, and whether it is for free or premium, and select the level whether it is for all levels or for intermediate or advanced students. So this is how we can publish your class in Skillshare. Now let me show you the account settings. So how we can set the accounts in Skillshare to get the payments. Now you can see this is the mail I have given to them. So in payment section I have connected my mail to the Skillshare community. So they are going to pay me the amount every month by using this mail. So this is how we can share our skills to others and start earning money. If you really have a skill, then start creating videos at least half an hour and with a good quality content videos and start uploading here. and you can start earning money. Really, it works. Basically, everyone can earn this in this website. In the description, I will provide you the link to premium account in Skillshare community, and you can start creating your classes and publish the classes. Thank you.